I did it. I braved the elements to get this key essential item that will help me during this quarantine. A jump rope. It's time to work out. Today's video is about working out at home. What's up, Team Extra? I'm Jay. Welcome back to my channel where I share lifestyle tips for single women who are approaching 40. Today's video is about how to work out at home during this quarantine. As you saw earlier, I grabbed my little jump rope from the store. I braved the elements. I had my mask on, I had my hand sanitizer, but I did not have a jump rope, and I wanted to do something. I wanted to get something that would allow me to work out at home, and I was watching a couple videos and they said that jump roping is the key. So I'm going to show you a few exercises that you can do at home that don't cost you $1 million and you can do every day. I'm going to change out of my outside attire and put some workout clothes on. So let's go. All right, I got my workout clothes on. I have on my bonnet. Don't judge me. I typically don't show people my bonnet, but I work out in my bonnet because it keeps my hair from sweating and frizzing. Have on my good sports bra with the underwire underneath here, some cotton t-shirts, and my leggings, and my good tennis shoes. Because jumping rope is a lot of pressure on your feet, so you want to make sure you have on good shoes in order to support the impact of the jumping. It's going to make sure you have shoes that support your instep and the balls of your feet, because that's where you're putting most of your weight. Now I have my jump rope. It says it's a weighted jump rope, heightens cardio conditioning, intensifies workout routine, and is a tangle-free design. So the actual rope itself is pretty sturdy. It's not going to fray or break. It's not like a braided rope. And then the handles are weighted, which is good because it gives you more of an arm workout. Because it's heavier, you need more of an effort to swing the rope around, which is going to work out your gobbler. I'm not embarrassed to show you that I have a little gobbler, but that's why I'm working out. Now, all of the videos that I saw say that you should jump rope for 10 minutes. I can't jump rope for 10 minutes straight. I'm going to try to break up my 10 minutes of jumping rope throughout the day into like 2-minute intervals. So whenever I feel like it, I can just grab the jump rope, set my timer for 2 minutes, and get a little mini cardio workout in. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I have my phone, which is where I set my timer. And actually, I'm going to have Siri set my timer. Hey Siri, set a 2-minute timer.
Okay, 2 minutes and counting.
Okay, 2 minutes is up. So things I've learned. 1, make sure that anything that's hanging on the walls is secured, because it can fall down when you're jumping. Another thing, if you live in an apartment and you have a neighbor underneath you, it might not be a good idea to jump rope indoors, because you could make them mad. But this is an easy exercise that you can take outside. You can do it in the driveway. You can do it in the parking lot. If you have a house, again, make sure that everything is nailed down so that it doesn't fall. But I'm out of shape and I'm breathing a lot, and that was just 2 minutes. Imagine if I was doing this 10 minutes straight. Not gonna happen. So I can either jump rope for 2 minutes straight 5 times a day, or I can pick another exercise. So I'm gonna do an exercise that works out some of my problem areas. Obviously cardio is just good for overall working out. That's why a lot of personal trainers, man, I'm really out of breath. A lot of personal trainers suggest running or walking for overall weight loss, because something about the cardio just really works out everything. But I have specific problem areas. My arms, as I mentioned, I got my little turkey gobbler, my stomach, not my butt, because my butt is great, but my legs. My legs are not as solid as they used to be, because I used to dance and jump, and they were really toned, and they're just not as toned as they used to be. They're still shapely, but they're not as toned. So the next exercise I'm going to do is going to work on my arms. I'm going to use my timer again, and I'm just going to do some simple arm circles for 1 minute going forward and then 1 minute going backward. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 minute.
Okay, your timer is set for 1 minute.
All right, 1 minute, arm circles going forward. I was starting to break right as the 1 minute was ending. Man, does that start to burn. Now I got to do it backwards. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 minute.
Your timer is set for 1 minute.
Okay, man, that is really hard to do. Shoulders are burning, woo, which is good because it's going to help with that definition in your arms. All right, let's do another exercise. Let's work on the stomach. Before I do so, let's do crunches. We'll do crunches for 1 minute. We'll do crunches for 1 minute, and then we'll do a plank for 1 minute. So that'll be 2 minutes of ab workouts. All right, but before I start that, I'm gonna put on my little waist trainer thingy. It's really to help me sweat in my stomach. And some people say it helps shape your waist. I don't know about all that, but it definitely helps me sweat in my stomach. So let's do some crunches. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 minute.
Your timer is set for 1 minute.
All right, now let's go into the plank. Woo! Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 minute.
Your timer is set for 1 minute.
Okay. All right. Gotta admit, I didn't make it the whole minute on the plank. I made it about 55 seconds. All right, but still, that's good. Woo. All right, the final exercise, or the final area I want to work on is my legs. So, the one thing I think I can work on that I can do at home, and you guys can do at home too, is squats. But I don't know if I can do squats for 2 minutes straight. So let's do regular squats for 1 minute. And then we'll get back on the ground, help me Jesus. And we'll do donkey kicks for 1 minute. And that will have covered arms, abs, and legs with also 2 minutes of cardio for this workout routine. Man, I'm out of breath. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 minute.
Your timer is set for 1 minute.
since I have two legs, I'm gonna do 30 seconds on the right and 30 seconds on the left. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 seconds.
Okay, your timer is set for 30 seconds.
All right, we did it, y'all. We did it. We got a full body workout at home in less than 10 minutes, and it didn't cost me a gym membership, and all it cost me was the cost of the rope. But you can actually do the jump rope without the jump rope. Just do the motion, but without the rope in your hand, obviously. I'm gonna get some water, but that does it for today's video about how you can work out at home in less than 10 minutes for this coronavirus pandemic quarantine. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. If you want to see more lifestyle tricks and tips for single women who are approaching 40 like me, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I'm really out of breath. Make sure you follow me on all my social media at JSoExtra. If you guys want to have a deeper conversation about what you're going through in your life as a single woman approaching 40, then join me in my private Facebook group called Team So Extra. Make sure you meet me back here next week. I make new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm filming up to it every Saturday. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.